Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will show you how to create broken glass effect in Photoshop. This effect can add dramatic easy look to your photos. So let's get started. First step is open your desired image in Photoshop and also open overlay image, broken glass overlay image. You can search for free stock images online or use premium resources for broken glass overlay images. After that, open layer panel and hit right click to convert to smart object. Next, drag and drop the overlay onto your Photoshop document. Resize and position it to cover the area you want to appear broken. Transform this image by pressing Ctrl plus T and hold shift and drag this image to all over the image and hit enter. Now change the blend mode of the overlay to screen or experiment with other blend mode to achieve the desired effect. Now select this layer and duplicate this by pressing Ctrl plus J and move this layer to top. Now hide this layer and select this overlay layer. Let's create the broken effect. Select pen tool and create path on broken line. After creating path, now hold Ctrl and hit enter to make a selection. After that, select top layer and go to the bottom of the layer and add a layer mask by clicking layer button. Now hide all layer and show top layer to see mask. Now unhide all layers. Now click on the link button to unlink this layer and select this. Now transform this image by pressing Ctrl plus T and hit enter, and duplicate this layer by pressing Ctrl plus J or right click and choose duplicate layer. Hit OK. Now open blending option and uncheck this red and green channel. Now transform this image and press right arrow key to move right side this image and hit enter. I want to add noise. Let's create new layer. Ctrl Shift plus N and change this blend mode to overlay and fill with 50% gray. Hit OK. Now go to filter, noise, add noise. Add little bit noise and hit OK. After that, let's create cover adjustment layer and increase the midtone. Now duplicate this layer, press right click and choose duplicate layer, hit OK. The position of this layer bottom to top. Select this layer, hold shift and click on the bottom layer. make a group by pressing Ctrl plus G and rename this group to effect. Select top layer and rename this also. Place your image here. Hide top layer. Now our effect is ready. Let's check this. Double click on this and place your image. Now you will learn to how to create this effect. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, share and comment. Thank you.